In this video, we're going to access rules through the Federal Register and take a look at the Preambles section that accompanies rules. I'm going to use the Government Publishing Office's govinfo.gov website to retrieve 76 Federal Register 81023, which was published on December 27, 2011, and which is listed in the Code of Federal Regulations as the source or the initial place of publication of the rules found in 12 CFR 1005. To do this, I'm going to select the alphabetical listing within govinfo.gov, which is on the far left. And then from the alphabetical ribbon, I'll select F and access the Federal Register 1990 to the present. At the subsequent page, I see an annual listing. We know from the information that was provided by the Code of Federal Regulations that this particular issue of the Federal Register was issued on December 27th, 2011. So I'll use the plus symbol that precedes 2011 to expand that out. I then see a list of the months that are available, and I'll choose December. And then from the date listing, I will choose December 27th. Once I get into the issue for a particular date, I have a couple of options. I could open up a PDF image of that entire issue, and then from there, since I know the page number I need, I could use a Control F search to jump down to where that page is located. What I'm seeing here is a listing of the different agencies that are available, and I happen to know that this is from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. So alternatively, I could drill down underneath that entry, and then I see the page range listed for the rules that are associated with that agency, and that sort of confirms for me that it does contain my individual page number through this page range. So this has 81019 to 81058, and I need 81023. So at this point, I will pull up a PDF image of the relevant page numbers. And so here I'm seeing the cover essentially from the Federal Register. As I scroll down a little bit, I'm actually seeing that this begins on page 81020, but yet it does indeed relate to the part that I'm interested in, 12 CFR 1005. If I scroll down to the actual page that was cited, which was 81023, then I see something that looks a lot more similar to what you see in the actual CFR. So in the CFR, as we're seeing here, we would there would be a table of contents showing the individual rules or section numbers within the part, an authority statement, and then I actually get into the full text of the rules themselves. So what is the information that is on the intervening several pages here? Well, if we scroll back up to page 81020, what we're looking at here is something called the preamble. And the preamble is very useful for research because it provides some insight into what the agency was hoping to accomplish by issuing the rules and what their impact should be. And so you'll see as we scroll through here a little bit, we're being given some background information. We're being given a summary that highlights specific changes that are being implemented through these rules, and the information goes on for several pages. This preamble information does not make its way into the Code of Federal Regulations, so this is one of the reasons why the Federal Register is still a very useful tool for research purposes, because it is giving you this insight into what the agency was hoping to accomplish.